Hello again, this is your cameraman Daniel for the 7th video on May 23rd, 2023. And they're still here. I think they're putting up I think they put up some new cement, but not on this side. Probably it's spilling out water and such. Yep. And right now it's about 10:50, about 10 minutes before 11 o'clock. And they're still here. There you have it, folks. That's your little update. And we'll see you again next time when I give you more updates. And I'll see you later. Goodbye and enjoy the videos of this series.